Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we are going to look at and discuss what has become my Cygnus Petrol lighter collection. I have a collection of other lighters and tobacciana, other useful mechanisms as well. Most of those are sentimental in some way or germane to me in some way other than just being lighters. Cygnus sort of stand apart to me as I have been going down this road for the last few years, and sort of like the way I became a Dallas Cowboys fan, I've become a Cygnus Petrol lighter collector sort of by default, but I'm happy to be here. First off, we have, which you've seen, individual videos for each lighter here. So if you remember those videos, then you'll remember that the silver colored aluminum one is brand new and was in the box. The fancy scrolled engraved one was found without a fill screw, and just recently gained that fill screw. And then the green one was bought. Both of these were bought actually in lots of, I don't know, 6 or 7 lighters and unidentified. The two coolest Cygnus lighters that I have ever seen were listed on eBay unidentified. We will not be lighting every one of these. In fact, this one has never had fuel in it. But you can see, I don't know that you would call this a base model Cygnus, because I've seen plenty of them that weren't ribbed. I think the ribbed model is probably not the norm, but anyway, maybe you'd call it a base model. It's just silver toned aluminum with the nifty thumb manipulation for your flint pressure. Very cool. Like that mechanism a lot. It's one of my favorites, but we're not going to be trying to spark that one because it doesn't have a flint in it. The Cygnus lighters in general that I have encountered had the extra flint compartment in the fill screw. So as you can see, that lighter is complete. The flint tube is clear. It is a brand new lighter that I don't believe has ever been struck. I cleaned it up when I got it a little bit. That was about it. Just wiped it off and the box. I haven't tried to remove that sticker yet. I don't know if I'm going to or was kind of wanting to see if I could identify where that came from or what the year might have been. Anyway, pretty simple product box. It is two colors. At least the top is a different color from the bottom. If you enjoy watching videos about old petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacconista, and other useful mechanisms, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video that you're watching. Tell your friends about the channel. Hit the share button. Send that link off in a text. Post it on social media. Send it in an email. However it is that you communicate with folks nowadays, and let them get a look at it for themselves. You can leave any comments or questions below the video. We would also appreciate it if you would follow and like us across all the social media platforms. That'll be Dependable Flame or DependableFlame.com on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and of course eBay. You probably saw the video of me re-wicking this lighter a couple of months ago before I got the fill screw. And then we had the fill screw donated by the Cygnus that I had gotten a good deal on, the Pan Am Cygnus. It was in very good condition, and fill screw fit the tone, and also had the roller screw I needed for the third lighter we're going to look at here in a second. This lighter does show plenty of scuff type wear and loss of the anodizing on some of the corners and edges. So whereas the first one's brand new, this lighter is not. But it is a very nice lighter that I'm thrilled to own. And I don't imagine I could get out of it in money what it brings to me to have on my shelf. I can't say that about many lighters, but I believe this one is more value to me in my possession. I like it a lot. This lighter, of course, is not brand new, but is in very good condition and has not been used much. I believe the only time it has been lit was in the video I did for it, and I lit it once, and it has not been lit again. I love the green and gold tones. Very rich, very dynamic, not plain like most of the Cygnus lighters are. Make sure you go over to eBay and check out the DependableFlame.com eBay store. Every purchase you make there will benefit HDSA, Huntington's Disease Society of America, with at least 10% going to that organization. And then we run 3 penny start auctions each month where 100% of the proceeds of those auctions benefit HDSA. So get over there, check those out, and make sure you follow us and be ready when those listings come up. You can see all three of them have the intact functional spare flint fill screw. So this is my collection of Penguin Cygnus Petrol lighters. Until next time.